and nephews, and welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. Today, I'm honoring. I've had a big request for brownies, but as you all know, I don't eat regular brownies. So I previously did make the regular brownies today. So now I'm going to focus on the sugar-free brownies using Splenda, or you can use whatever sweetener you want to. Artificial sweetener, but Splenda also makes a Splenda sugar blend. I don't use that in my stuff that I'm going to eat. So I'm going to get started, but first, my housekeeping. Thank you all for your love and support to my channel. Did I welcome my new nieces and nephews? Welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lots of love to all of you. Woo, 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 woo. So we're going to do a flip and a swip, and please hit that like button. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And I'm going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started on our sugar-free brownies. I've sifted together my dry ingredients. I've sifted together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, and I've sifted them all together, and I'm going to put them to the side. I have 3 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of Splenda. Now, and I have 2 and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now, the reason why the butter needs to be melted, and I'm going to switch that around a little bit, because the Splenda will blend better in melted butter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my Splenda and pour it into my melted butter. And I'm going to get that all blended together. And I will put these to the side. And I'm going to blend this together, and I'll be back. Okay, I've added my vanilla. And now I'm going to blend in my 3 eggs. Make sure you blend them well. Now I am going to add my dry ingredients. Little housekeeping. Start off low so your kitchen don't look like a crime scene. And the difference between your sugar-free batter and your regular batter is it's thicker. It is thicker. And to me, it's messy. And once you get all that, your dry ingredients incorporated, you can speed it up. Good thing I was done anyway, huh? Clink, 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 clink. Okay, now I'm going to scrape my bowl, get all my goodness off. Okay, same thing. You would need 1 8-ounce bag of sugar-free chocolate chips. I like Hershey's. I don't like the one by Lily. They have an aftertaste. Hershey's tastes better. And you don't have to worry about getting diarrhea. And you fold your chips in. And as you can see, that it changes the texture of the batter. Okay, now go get me a smaller pan and wipe up this mess. Okay, we're gonna get our brownie batter, pour it in here. This is a smaller baking dish because I do like my brownies a little thicker. And you see how those chocolate chips change the texture? They change the look of it. And so we're going to pop this in the oven for 40 minutes on 325, maybe 45, and I'll see you guys then. Guys, our sugar-free brownies have come out the oven. I let them rest and cool. They're still warm though. I've already scored them out to my serving size. So in this little pan, that little recipe made 9 brownies. So I'm going to take one out. Just like I said, they're still kind of warm. So you can see on the inside of them. Nice. Nice and chocolatey. And like I said, you see this? This is about a 3-inch, about 2-inch cut of brownie. And you can see the thickness going up against my pinky. So, you know, these are really good. And what I do, because I'm not going to eat a whole pan because it's just not feasible when you're diabetic. So I wrap them individually. So when I get that craving for chocolate, all I have to do is pop one of these out and I put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and while still wrapped in the plastic, and that way I can kill that craving for my chocolate. So thank you guys so much. Look at there. Look at there. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. And you can use any sweetener you want. You don't necessarily have to use Splenda. You can use stevia. Well, I've tried monk fruit. I don't like how it comes out with monk fruit. So any other sweetener you want to use, you're welcome to use that. Thank you guys for watching my video how I make my diabetic friendly sugar-free brownies for me. Again, like I said, I freeze them individually. So when I want that chocolate craving, all I have to do is just pull one out, nuke it, and I'm good to go. Thank you guys. Go be you, but be great being you. Until the next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.